We're going to be taking a look right now at the PSQ ProShares short QQQ bear fund. And we're going to take a look at the QQQs in general, the big correction that we've had along with the NASDAQ 100 and the NASDAQ Composite, which is about 10% correction territory. We're at a major calendar yearly support level right here on the QQQ Trust. Now, what I'm going to do is in the first video here is I'm going to make this a separate video just because I haven't updated it lately. I would like people to understand that unlike anything else, when markets go down, you can short this QQQ outright. And while you're shorting that index, you can also be long and making money on the bear short QQQ. So this goes up in value, you make money on the long side of the tape. And this goes down in value, you make money on the other side of the tape. So it's very important that we understand where these things are and how they're going to work. So if I'm shorting up here, I'm getting paid when they fall in value. At the very same time, I'm buying the bear fund, it's going up in value, and I'm making money on both directional price movements. I'm making money this way, and I'm making money when the bear fund goes up. I will tell you that in the shorter term, that we are oversold right here on the actual Qs. We are. I will also tell you that we're a little bit overbought on the bear. However, moving forward between now and calendar year end and Thanksgiving holiday, Christmas holiday, we have our Congress meeting with the Senate to make budget cuts and the whole ball of wax. And you got Mr. Obama in there, and you got taxes are going to go higher. It is time that people look at the bears moving forward. Meaning that the breakout here, the pullbacks is where we're going to look at making new entries again. We would look at going long. If this is going to work, and we do get a short-term relief rally back up to major resistance levels, we would be long here on the Qs. We can also have special trade management privileges where you can short this and it comes down to support level. You can make money there. There are many various sophisticated risk management trading procedures that can be done. What I would do, the new MMTs in the yearly apprenticeship school is going to learn it very clearly. People who stumble across our videos by accidentally, if I were you, I would get with one of our 1-week programs on how to trade bear funds and index funds and get both directional price movement and markets. Bear funds have been out of play now for the whole calendar of 2012. They were in play last year around this time as well. I will tell you that the QQQs have a major support level here. If we break it, we've already broken every technical thing. We're deeply oversold in a very short macro time frame. Any relief out of Washington, this is going to be a great long trade up here to where they hit resistances and you would sell. On the bear side of the QQQ short QQQ bear fund, the bear fund has made a great move off of these bottoms up to a resistance level, a major resistance level right in here. There's some other resistance levels. There's some gaps to fill in up here, and we can continue to go higher. This is a calendar 2012 high. Short-term overbought here. However, they must be monitored starting today throughout the calendar year, throughout calendar 2013 and calendar 2014. If things do not work out well, all of the bear funds that we trade and have traded for a number of years, and some are new issues, it's a way to be diversified in the market with risk. It takes sophisticated risk management training. It would behoove you to get over here with us now and we will be putting up some training programs on how to trade bear funds as a webinar that people can get involved with and then ask questions. Then we can figure out if you want to be in the weekly program or the monthly program. However, it's time that these things are looked at in every sector. We've covered some of the major ones today. This is the Qs, short, ProShares, breaking out to the first major resistance level above the 200-day moving averages. All of the bull daily moving averages are pointing up. Pullbacks come into play. Price volatility will increase between now and calendar year end. It will increase through this week that starts tomorrow for Thanksgiving. After the Thanksgiving week, we will have increased volatility because of the kind of headlines that are going to be coming out of Washington, not to mention the Israel deal and many other factors. Once again, learn how to trade the bear funds when they go up in value. And when the QQQs are selling down, you can short this. This was a great move. That's an $8 move during this whole process when the markets were selling down. And it's great to be long at times. And when this is going higher, if we go higher here, then that means the bear will pull back into their support levels and set up new bases. We go up in a relief rally and hit resistance and start to roll over to make lower lows, then that means that these pullbacks will continue to make higher highs.